Hey everyone, welcome back to my new video. So for those who don't know me, myself Jay, I'm a first year medical student at GHMC Gujarat. Before that, I was a BSc student at Ramjas College, Delhi University. Back in school, I scored 92% in my class 12 CBSE board. I also cleared CUET and cracked NEET with a 94.4 percentile. And the best part, I did all this without any coaching. Pure self-study, mock test, and discipline. Now don't get me wrong, I don't think myself as a topper or a genius or anything. I'm just someone who worked really hard, had faith in God and pushed myself through the odds. Today I'll share exactly how I studied for board, CUET and NEET. And the personal side no one talks about. Mental health, personal sacrifices and all that. For boards my funda was simple. If you have good teachers at a school, you don't need tuitions. You absolutely don't need tuitions. Second, you have to ask a lot of questions. Doesn't matter if it sounds stupid. You have to ask again and again until it's clear to you. NCERT is your holy book. Read it again and again, line by line, word by word, and I would say even letter by letter. Solve everything that is in it. Example, exercises, in-text question, every single thing that is in the NCERT book. Don't leave PYQs for the end. Solve the last 10 years of PYQs 2 to 3 times alongside every chapter. Buy a good sample paper book and solve it at least 2 to 3 times before your final exam. Also, practice writing on actual board exam sheet. Improve your presentation skills on actual board exam sheet. Try to create actual exam environment at your home while practicing. I even used to wear my school uniform while solving sample papers at my home. Sounds crazy, but it works. By the end, I had solved around 30 sample papers before my final boards exam, including PYQs, sample papers, pre-boards from my school and even from other schools. That makes it around 150 in total, and I repeated them around 2 to 3 times. That's how I scored 92% in my class 12th boards. CUET. Honestly, CUET is going to be very easy for you if you are a serious NEET or JEE aspirant. I just brushed up my general awareness and language subjects, did around 10 to 12 mock tests and PYQs and repeated them around 2 to 3 times. That's it, that was enough to get me into North Campus, Delhi University. Super easy. Okay, so now let's talk about NEET. For droppers watching this, especially the NEET 2026 batch, I'll keep it real. I can't guarantee MBBS to you because I myself got BHMS, but if you really follow what I say in this video, you will surely land in a government medical course. Step 1. Join an offline test series and don't skip even a single test. Step 2. For physics and chemistry, use one short marathon lectures from YouTube like those covering entire 11 physics in 12 hours, NEET or even JEE level. For example, if your next test has thermodynamics, watch the one shot for it. Only watch. Don't make any notes, don't solve any questions. Just watch the lectures. Then repeat it again and again 3 to 4 times. Yes, watch the same lectures without any notes or anything 3 to 4 times. Then watch the lecture again the 5th time and now solve the questions along with your teacher. And when you have done this, solve the questions from the PDF of that same lecture. Then move on to PYQs and then repeat the cycle 2 to 3 times. In that way, if your test was suppose after 15 days from now, you have studied a single physics chapter 5 to 6 times in a single day. You have done multiple revisions and completion of the chapter at the same time. It will increase your confidence a lot in the exam hall. And trust me when I say this method works because I scored 96 percentile in NEET 2025 physics. Watching the same lecture, solving the same questions again and again for 8 to 10 times before every single mock test. Biology. Step 1. Read NCERT thoroughly. If you are a dropper, that's minimum 3 to 4 times reading of the entire syllabus. Use those 20-minute active recall videos on YouTube. Practice NCERT based questions and PYQs again and again. And at the end, I would say don't stress about marks. Your only focus should be on giving your best. No regrets walking out of the exam hall. And please don't keep dropping again and again year after year for NEET. Just give your best, have faith in God and accept whatever course you are getting. Please, if I had to talk about my sacrifices, I had completely cut off from friends. I completely isolated myself from any kind of social activity. I quitted junk food for a year. Till date, I have never used any kind of social media except for WhatsApp and YouTube. I have pulled a lot of sleepless nights, not recommending you in the long run, but if you are awake, make sure that you are really studying and not wasting time. And biggest thing, accepting whatever God gives you, because NEET, CUET and boards, these are not just exams. They test your patience, your discipline and your faith. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please drop a comment. And if you are preparing right now, just remember, you don't need to be perfect, just need to keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next one.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town.